In this video, we'll show you what to do if the UEFI firmware settings is missing from your Windows laptop or PC. So to fix this, you first need to head to the search menu and then type in system information. Now select the first result that appears. In this menu, you will need to scroll down and then locate this BIOS mode option. Now make sure it says UEFI. If it doesn't say UEFI or if it says legacy, it means that your PC or laptop doesn't support UEFI and you will need to use the older BIOS menu. Your next option is to open the control panel using the search menu. So simply type in control panel, select the first result. Now here go to power options. In this menu you will need to select choose what the power buttons do. Now here change settings that are currently unavailable. Now uncheck this turn off fast startup option and then click on save changes. Now try accessing UEFI settings again and see if it works. There's also another way to do this. So simply right click anywhere on the desktop and then go to this new menu and then select shortcut. Now simply type this command in this field. I'll also leave it in the description. Now click on next. Now name it anything. So we'll just name it UEFI. And then click on finish. Once you see this UEFI settings shortcut, simply right click on it and then select properties. Now here you will need to go to this advanced option and then select this run as administrator option. Now click on OK, hit apply and then click on OK again. Now double click on this shortcut and you will be able to access the UEFI settings. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply shut down your laptop or PC and then turn it on. While it's booting, all you have to do is simply press the appropriate UEFI key to enter the UEFI settings menu. So on most Lenovo laptops, you simply need to press the F2 key repeatedly to enter the UEFI setting. This may be different for different models from different manufacturers. Simply search for the UEFI key that you need to press and you should be able to access the UEFI settings while booting your PC. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.